NCLH Stock Analysis March 13 and onward. Should you buy now? I'm covering all of this in the next 1 minute, and after 5 years and tens of thousands of dollars in training mentors and education, I figured what's making me money and what's not. And guess what? Everything is documented on this channel. This crazy correction down is just that, you know, it's crazy, but sometimes it does happen. It's totally normal, fair, and normal part of the process, you know, because looking at this bullish range, I mean, we can argue it's coming down almost like from, not almost, but it is really coming down from this demand zones. So maybe this is the demand zone that we're tapping right here. And you can see like the idea that I had here is just going to be moved to this side. We're just kind of stretched out the things. I mean, I can even argue that's even better, because if I have an opportunity here, it's just a discounted price, right? So, but still, like, unless the rules are met, I'm not going to be willing to buy, right? Or do really anything else. So obviously I'll continue to keep you updated. And if you want to make more money in a simple way in just weeks, click the first link in the description. There's a lot of sauce.